All right, guys, so we just got our order from John Stillwell with Ancient Territories flutes, Native American flutes. He handcrafts these. The one that I got is out of Curley maple and Wenge wood, and the one that Dodie got is made out of zebra wood and what's the other wood in it? Zebra wood and purple heart?
Maybe.
And maybe purple heart, I can't remember.
It's a surprise. We'll see when we
So,
open the box.
We will see. So come in a nice box, packaged really well. There's hers. Yeah, really nice packaging. Got a note about the wet out protection. So we got the wet out protection in ours, which allows you to play longer without the flute getting saturated from blowing through it. Wow. So my first impression is that's like a stone on the top of yours. First impression is that is very nice craftsmanship. Boy, the finish is excellent. And they're both 432 Hertz, F sharp. Nice turquoise beadlet on the leather. And look at that mouthpiece. Look at that grain. I'm super impressed. I don't think yours is purple heart. It's a different kind of wood. I like that black wood on there.
This turtle's cool. That's really cool.
Stone turtle. And then the wet out protection, if you look down into here, the white is some kind of polycarbonate plastic which soaks up the moisture. Oh, wow. They are very nice.
Very nice. Are you gonna play?
No, because I have to figure out how to position this and whatnot. So just wanted to do a video of the unboxing of them and first sight. I like how the top has more of a flat surface because we are beginners. But as you can see, it's almost triangular into here, so the top has a nice flat spot for your fingers. So yeah, just thought we would share that. And John, thank you very much. You did a great job if you happen to see this video. Very impressed, and thank you for the fast shipping and getting them out so quick. So it was probably less than, we ordered on Wednesday or Tuesday.
Yeah.
And we got them this Friday. About a week. So about a week turnaround. So thank you.